Do you know a person that everybody likes? You know, he's friends with everyone, no one has anything bad to say about them, and they get along with literally everyone. You know, like the capybara. Yes, well, the Tudor Black Bay 58 is the capybara of watches. Everybody loves it, but it's no one's favorite watch. The Tudor Black Bay 58 is a nod to classic dive watch aesthetics with a touch of modern refinement. It rocks a vintage-inspired design, reminiscent of Rolex's 1950s Submariner, making it appealing for both watch enthusiasts and casual wearers. The sleek 39mm case is a nod to its heritage, while the subtle choice of colors, including the popular navy blue and black, create a versatile and sophisticated appearance. Now, in my last video I reviewed the blue version, which to be honest I didn't like. The blue tone was dull and boring, but the black version is beautiful. At the heart of the Black Bay 58 beats the Tudor caliber MT5402, a COSC certified in-house movement. It ensures high precision and a considerable 70-hour power reserve. It's a workhorse that promises reliability and chronometric performance, suitable for a modern lifestyle. The watch is built with a robust stainless steel case and bracelet that exude quality and durability. The bracelet has caught some criticism because of its useless rivet decoration, which is a nod to vintage bracelets. The side of the case is mirror polished, which I don't really like because it is undoubtedly a scratch magnet. There is some great finishing in the corners of the lugs, which bring this watch a notch higher when talking about quality. Topped with a robust scratch-resistant top hat sapphire crystal, which obviously adds height to the watch, and a unidirectional rotatable bezel with a matte anodized aluminum disc, the Black Bay 58 is constructed to handle everyday wear with ease. Now, let's talk about the bezel. It is good, it feels robust, it has no play, and the sound it makes is almost therapeutical. My issue comes with the aluminum bezel insert. Yes, I know, it is aluminum on purpose, to stay within the era aesthetics, and to keep the look of the vintage subs. But my question is, couldn't they have achieved the same vintage look with brushed ceramic? Well, I guess that would have clashed within the Pelagos line. Anyways, thanks to its thinner case and moderate 39mm size, the Black Bay 58 ensures a comfortable fit on a variety of wrist sizes. The bracelet and clasp are designed for comfort, with enough adjustability to find the right fit, even as your wrist expands and contracts. Even though the 41mm version and the past version had the issue of no half links and no quick adjust, new versions are coming out with the T-Fit micro adjust, so that is great news. With a focus on maintaining a clean utilitarian dial, there are no unnecessary complications on the Black Bay 58. The watch features a no-date dial, enhancing its uncluttered classic diver look. The snowflake hands are a signature Tudor feature, improving legibility, full with lume. Rated to a water resistance of 200 meters or 660 feet, the Black Bay 58 is more than capable for recreational diving. The screw-down crown with the Tudor Rose insignia ensures that the internals remain protected from water intrusion and dust. Being part of the Tudor lineup, the Black Bay 58 has a rich lineage tracing back to Tudors and Rolex dive watches of the 1950s. This model carries the legacy forward, blending historical elements with the assurance of modern craftsmanship that Tudor is known for. The retail price of this watch comes down to $4,000, which is just a complete bargain in my eyes. It sits at a competitive price point that offers excellent value, especially considering its in-house movement, meticulous build quality and brand prestige. It's often regarded as a viable alternative to its more expensive Rolex cousins. The last Tudor we had on the channel was the Ranger, which I didn't like. But the Black Bay 58, I'd buy this watch every day of the week. This watch shows what Tudor can do, what true value for money means. The Black Bay 58 finds itself in strong competition with watches like the Omega Seamaster, the Rolex Submariner and other luxury dive watches. However, it stands out for its vintage character, size, and the most important, the more accessible price point, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts looking for a high-quality dive watch without venturing into the highest echelons of luxury watch pricing. In conclusion, the Black Bay 58, in my eyes, is probably the perfect watch. The price point is perfect. It's actually the best value proposition that Tudor offers, in my opinion. It looks amazing. The build quality is second to none. It comes with an in-house movement and everybody loves it. But let me know, what do you think? Is it your favorite watch, or is it just a good watch that is part of your collection?